That's the text. I will take it. Make edition. Choose that design. Make it text. So change the color there. We will explore another design. Let's add a structure. Use the paint here. Making another design. Use that structure.